Overcoming the problem of understanding English but unable to speak, 2 tips to crack the solution. Are you struggling with understanding English but finding it difficult to speak the language fluently? This is a common problem, but it doesn't have to be a permanent one. With the right approach and practice, you can overcome this challenge. Here are 2 tips to help you crack the solution. Tip 1: Speak, speak, speak. Practice speaking English as much as you can. Don't worry about making mistakes, just keep speaking. Find a language partner or a native speaker and practice speaking with them regularly. This will help you develop your pronunciation, build confidence, and learn common phrases and expressions used in everyday conversation. If you can't find a language partner, try speaking to yourself in English. You can practice by narrating your day, describing objects in your environment, or reading aloud from a book. Tip 2: Use English in context. Learn English phrases and expressions in context. Don't just memorize individual words, but learn how they are used in sentences and conversations. One way to do this is by reading books or articles in English and paying attention to how phrases and expressions are used in context. Another way is by watching English movies or TV shows and taking note of the language used in different situations. As you practice these 2 tips, take notes on new vocabulary, grammar structures, and expressions that you come across. By incorporating these tips into your language learning routine, you will start to build your confidence in speaking English and develop your fluency in the language. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips help you overcome the problem of understanding English but being unable to speak. Keep practicing, and happy learning!